What is going on, crypto news viewers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Book of Meme, or also known as ticker symbol Bome. Now this is a project that took the world by a storm a couple months ago, earlier in about like March, end of March basically. This was a project that launched and within 24 hours hit $1 billion market cap. So in today's video, we're going to be going over what the project has been up to, some recent developments, and also talking about how it is currently performing. So we could see it is up 12% in the past 24 hours. So it is looking pretty good. In the past week as well, we could see up 15% with majority of that pump coming from today. In the past month as well, we could see still up 12%. Again, that pump today is really saving it from being in the red overall. Even in the past week, it more or less would have been in the red if it wasn't for today, or it would have just been stagnant. Now, again, this is that massive rally that I'm talking about. Now, the data doesn't really go that far, but we could see in the past year up 1,000%. And guys, this thing is not no joke. If you actually take a look, the market cap is currently at $700 million. And a lot of people still don't know how this project became such a big project. But let's take a look at what this says over here. How high can Book of Meme price go after a 20% surge? So it looks like it did actually go higher, but it had a bit of a pullback. I'm assuming this is the tip that they're talking about over here. And we can see, so Bome price increases rapidly as attention shifts to Solana meme coins, which is pretty true. We're seeing a little bit of a, I guess, frenzy for Solana meme coins once again, which is very cool to see. Another thing as well is we're seeing more retail interest, right? Like Bitcoin is looking pretty good. It looks like we might see an election where the potential elected president will be favoring crypto. So a lot of people are looking more and more into crypto as the days go on, which is very bullish for the whole community and just overall a great thing. Now, another thing is a golden cross pattern set to affirm the bullish thesis as bullseye 0.02 cents. We can see this thing is currently trading at 0.1, so it's basically a cent. So that would mean a 2x. Now, the RSI breaks bearish divergence as bull take back the reins. Again, that's just some technical analysis. And Bome futures open interest jumps 74% as interest in meme coin soars. So there's a lot of charts that you guys can go ahead and look at. Guys, I'm going to be honest, when it comes to technical analysis with small projects, I don't really know if they're the most reliable. Now with projects, or I guess coins or stocks or whatever, when something has a market cap that's in the billions, sure, it's a lot easier to be like, yeah, or it's more understandable that, yeah, there's probably some sort of technical analysis involved. When there is something that doesn't have one, that much volume, two, that much liquidity, or three, a market cap of less than $1 billion, I always tend to be a little bit wary and a little cautious of actually trusting technical analysis. Now, regardless, that's for you to decide if you do think technical analysis works on smaller projects. Now, you guys can go ahead and read through this article. There's a bunch of other things going on as well. People saying, should you buy, should you sell? The one thing I will say is, if you are looking to add to your position because you're currently in a negative or a red, I would possibly look into doing that. Another option is, if you are in the red, or sorry, if you are in the green, want to profit, maybe start selling off some. And guys, remember, this is what the project actually is, Book of Meme, right? This is literally a absolute meme coin that, you know, doesn't really have much going on. The website is literally based off of the first website ever made. It's very dare I say basic. Even the URL makes no sense. The whole project doesn't really make sense, and the fact that they actually got $1 billion market cap in the first 24 hours still blows my mind. We could see the design is inspired by the first web page, where the first web page is literally this right here. So again, it is pretty funny to see. It's pretty cool, pretty quirky. So yeah, it is pretty interesting. Another thing I want to share with you guys is, if you actually look at Bome on Twitter, a lot of people are starting to talk about it. A lot of people are starting to show charts and whatnot. So it is looking like a pretty decent project that people are looking back into. And guys, I also want to quickly share with you, obviously Bome, or Book of Meme, is kind of like a spin-off of Pepe token. And guys, right now the most exciting thing for Pepe is Pepe's blockchain. Guys, Pepe now has its own blockchain. It is looking insane, and they have raised over $6 million in the pre-sale stage. So guys, this is not no joke. This looks like it could be the next hot biggest pre-sale. They also have a staking mechanism where you can actually stake and earn 305% per annum, so you can make passive income on your staked tokens. So your pre-sale tokens will be staked, and you'll be earning passive income. And when the pre-sale's over, you can claim extra tokens. Now guys, just some very high level highlights. This has instant bridging between ETH and Pepe chain. It has the lowest transaction fees, it has higher volume capacity, and it has a dedicated block explorer. Overall guys, this project looks very, very phenomenal, and it's one that I definitely think people should not miss out on. I'm going to leave a link down below, so if you guys want to go ahead and copy, you guys can do so, and be sure not to brick. Now guys, that's it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and until next time, remember, stay seeking success.